Hi, welcome to Unit 1 at 23 Forfar Avenue, located in Kitchener, Ontario. This is a beautiful, brand new home featuring 4 bedrooms. Let's take a look inside. As soon as we enter here, we have a beautiful open concept living, dining, kitchen area here. To our left is our powder room. Lots of space in the vanity, all top of the line finishes. Beautiful tiles here. Walk out to our garage, automatic lift, of course. Our living area is absolutely massive with tons of natural light coming in through these huge windows. Beautiful dining area, beautiful light fixtures. Absolutely stunning kitchen here. Tons of cabinet space, lots of counter space, beautiful island here, all top of the line appliances. Let's head on up. Upstairs is our laundry room, always convenient. Lots of storage space in our laundry room. Beautiful countertop too. Our bedrooms are all massive sizes here. They can all accommodate king size beds, no problem. All with tons of natural light from these huge windows throughout the beautiful house here. Our first full bathroom here, featuring a beautiful big vanity, beautiful tiles here. Our master bedroom, absolutely massive. And a beautiful master ensuite here with his and her sink, very big vanity, tons of storage here, beautiful finishings, all glass stand-in shower here, and a beautiful tub. And remember, to view this property and many more, please visit us at Royal York Property Management, ready to serve you 24/7, 365. Thank you.